the Children's Mercy Employee Parking Garage. My name is Colby Wilson, project engineer from McCarthy. I'm excited to take you through and show you all the progress we've had in the month of May. Early this month, we were able to complete our underground MEP installation, our plumbing scopes and electrical scopes. And then towards the middle of the month, we were able to complete the slab on grade at this level. Had a lot of progress this month in the elevator pit area. We were able to complete our one-sided walls, exterior walls here, as well as our elevator pit walls. And then moving on to the tunnel, been able to start forming up with the tunnel foundation walls.
Hi, I'm Ben Williams, project superintendent out here at the Children's Mercy Parking Garage. As you can see behind me today, we're pouring our second slab on grade pour. Over the next month, we'll get 2 more slab on grade pours knocked out. We'll be completing our exterior foundation walls in the southeast corner, completing footings across the entire site, as well as getting the mason started at the elevator area. We have all of our formwork on site to start this first elevated deck. We'll be forming it over the next few weeks, targeting pouring this first one through the middle of the month. A lot of exciting stuff to come. We'll see you in about a month. Thank you.